Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. So glad that you're here. I'm setting up in my weekly vertical classic planner for the week of January the 11th through the 17th, and I will be utilizing these doll stickers from shoplca.com. They're really cute, and I'm going to add a couple additional ones to the three that you see here. But I do have a referral link down below in the description box where you can save yourself some money on your purchase. And in addition to that, I'm going to be using one or two of these washi tapes from Simply Gilded. Don't know which one yet at this point, so I just pulled the ones I thought would be of interest. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my sidebar here using the colorful sticker box. And you guys know I mix metal. If they would have had rose gold or a copper metal for this, I probably would have went with that, but they didn't. So I just went ahead and used the gold foil one. I could have made one, but didn't feel like it. So I figure this will just be a spread that I have mixed metal in. Down below, I want to go ahead and use this city skyscraper washi tape from Simply Gilded. I absolutely love it. And I just think it's so beautiful and so chic. And so I thought I would put that as the foundation of the page. And then for the top of the planner page, I'm going to use another Simply Gilded washi tape, but I'm going to use the bow washi tapes instead. And it has like that peachy undertone color to it that I think will complement the colors that I have chosen in the doll stickers, as well as the skyscraper washi tape. And it has like a rose gold bows, and I thought that was really pretty. Now the thing about this is I am still getting used to using a vertical layout. I switched to using vertical layouts probably like a few months ago, and so I'm always trying to challenge myself in ways to make things different than what I usually do. So that's what I'm trying to do for this particular spread. I'm going to utilize this colorful life sticker book from the Happy Planner. I absolutely love this sticker book. I went and got another one. My original one is a lot more empty, but it reminds me of the Color Story kind of book, but it's more simplistic in its decor. It has a lot of full size boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, circles, flags, dot stickers as well, but and using different patterns too. And so it's not as in your face as the Color Story booklets are sometimes. This one just has a nice rhythm of patterns that coordinate with each other, and it makes creating a layout a little bit more easier if you're not using, let's say, sticker kits. And one other thing I like about this book is that they'll give you a page that has foil and a page that doesn't have foil, and they're going to be two pages that complement each other, so you can go between the pages and so forth, which I really like. And so I started off with the pattern sticker for Monday. It doesn't have any gold foil on there. The full box stickers are actually shorter than the box itself, and so I just went ahead and trimmed it all the way down because for some reason they didn't fit perfectly in the boxes, and would have only covered the washi tape a little bit, or if I would have removed the washi tape, it still would not have fit the entire box. So that's why I decided to go ahead and cut the boxes down a little bit so that it fit up against the washi tape. And I love the patterns. They're unique and they don't have a lot of words on them. So if you want to add verbiage to the full box stickers, you can. That gold foil for Wednesday is so pretty. You don't see that pattern a lot in different sticker books, let alone Happy Planner sticker books. So that's really cool. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, I layered a gold foil box with the quote sticker saying, "Give yourself a pep talk," which I thought is perfect because usually after a Monday for me, my Mondays are the most heaviest days of the week for me. And so by Tuesday, Wednesday, you're like, girl, come on. You're halfway there now. So give yourself a pep talk. And then for Thursday, I pulled out another gold foil box with another full box sticker. I like that wash of color that is with that. And I thought that would, the gold foil up against that box would give it a nice pop. And then I was trying to figure out how to insert another quote sticker similar to what was for Tuesday and Wednesday. And so I pulled the "Just Do Your Thing" and I put down another gold foil box with that. But I'm still trying to figure out the placement of this. And it's like, I'm not for sure about that. So you'll see, I will move it around some more. But I love that peach. It's like a light peach floral embroidery box for Saturday. And again, I cut that to fit up against the groove of the washi tape, and I like how that looked a lot. And then for Friday and Saturday, I went ahead and put this pattern full box sticker that had like different directions of the colorful lines with the gold foil trim. Thought that was really pretty. I originally had that on Friday, but I decided to move it in between Friday and Saturday just to sort of offset it a little bit since I had already put down a sticker for Saturday and Sunday, just to, I don't know, give it more spacing appeal. So, and I see that right now I have gold foil boxes for the middle row. That wasn't really intentional, but I like how it turned out, and I decided to move down the quote sticker for Sunday down a little bit. And I'm just going to leave it there because I'm starting to wear that sticker out. I don't know if you guys ever do that or whatever, but I will keep moving a sticker around. And so now I'm putting down my dolls from shoplca.com. And I love the different doll stickers that she has. Some of the sheets have the dolls going in different directions. And so I sort of went based off of that first because I felt any of the dolls that I had selected would go great with this color scheme. And so I like the one that I put down for Thursday. That one had a totally different direction, which I like, and I thought it looked good up against the colorful sticker there. And I decided to go ahead and put down a circle sticker that says 100% awesome. And then I went ahead and put down another doll sticker for Monday. I love the coat, the jeans, the shoes. This would be like an outfit that I probably would wear. And then I went ahead and added a first coffee sticker because, you know, Monday you got to have your coffees on Monday, right? And then I put down another doll sticker. I did like a haul of some of these stickers a few weeks ago, and I had like a journal card that Tiffany included in my package with that doll for the Tuesday and Wednesday on the last row there. And I decided, I was like, I need this sticker. So I was glad that I was able to find it and order that. And so I totally love that sticker. It's so cute. And then for Friday, I added that doll sticker. She's in her jeans with a coral top. And I thought that was real pretty, especially for a weekend. It's sort of like I'm going out with my girls or out on a date kind of attire. And then for Sunday, I used that sticker. That's probably something I would wear to my church because you could dress up, you could dress down, and that's sort of like in between while wearing pants. So I really like how all of this turned out. And then I put the Live in the Moment sticker for Saturday on that full box on the last row. And then for the weekend, I put Love the Weekend up at the top there. And then going to the sidebar of the page, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and use those strip of stickers that I have cut off from the full box stickers to create a little bit more deco, because once I use most of the boxes and the circles, I was starting to find that I really didn't have much else that I wanted to use. If there was some florals, I probably would use some florals, but I didn't really feel like going to search for florals. So I just decided to use the parts that I cut off from the full box stickers and added them up there to the top of the sidebar sticker to give it some decoration. And then I put the flat sticker down. Find balance in every day, which I think is a good way to start off your week, knowing that you need to, focus on balance and make for sure that you're not overdoing it. Some days wearing yourself out, and then needing a lot of rest and so forth because you overdid it, on your Mondays or whatever. So, and I went ahead and put down a few of these bullet stickers. Their bullet stickers have different deco and color schemes on there. So it wasn't like I had like solid colors or anything like that, which I thought was fine. To me, it's sort of added to, I was starting to think of like a shabby chic kind of appeal to this, but I actually like how it turned out. It's very soft and elegant kind of feel to me. It has that shabby chic kind of feel to me because it has like the different patterns and the softness of the colors. So I really like how this turned out. So what I'm going to do now is give you a closer look of what this looks like on the left hand side of the page. And now here's the right hand side of the page. And I absolutely love these dolls. They have no facial expressions, just the eyebrows. And I thought that was a really unique kind of sticker to have. And I loved it because it leaves it up to what you want to express for the day, and I thought that was really cool. Thank you so much for joining me for this process video. I am looking forward to celebrate National Sticker Day this Wednesday, January the 13th. Hopefully we find some very good sales, and I do have a referral code down below for Shop LCA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, bye bye.